Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, April 22, 2022 on our channel. Thermo King introducing the Precedent S-750i. McLaughlan Transport increases fleet sustainability with 3 new Carrier Transicold Vector He19 units. Daikin Applied's European factories presented new virtual factory tour. Smithfield Foods and Lineage Logistics unveil fully automated, next general distribution center. So, first news today. Thermo King introducing the Precedent S-750i. The S-750i is a fully electrical unit designed for transport fleets, retailers, and pharmaceutical companies seeking solutions that are more efficient on electric power. This unit introduces cost savings, greater uptime, lower emissions, and another proven choice within the Precedent platform. Utilizing the proven S-Series engine, the S-750i meets current and proposed carb-yield-true emissions without the use of a DPF. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. McLaughlan Transport increases fleet sustainability with 3 new Carrier Transicold Vector He19 units. Scottish haulier, McLaughlan Transport, continues to improve the sustainability of its temperature-controlled trailer fleet with 3 new Carrier Transicold Vector He19 units. Following the fuel-saving performance of 3 previous Carrier Transicold Vector He19 units, similarly mounted to 13.6-meter gray and amp Adams trailers, the latest assets add to McLaughlan Transport's 70-strong temperature-controlled trailer fleet. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Daikin Applied's European factories presented new virtual factory tour. Daikin Applied's European factories can now be visited remotely thanks to new virtual factory tour. All manufacturing facilities are available for 360-degree tours, guided by Daikin Applied engineers. Chiller Factory. The Chiller Factory, built in 1969, and expanded over the years to provide production of the entire Applied product portfolio for Europe, Middle East and AMP, Africa, Asia, South America, and Oceania. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Smithfield Foods and Lineage Logistics unveil fully automated, next general distribution center. Smithfield Foods Incorporated, a vertically integrated global food company and one of the world's largest pork producers and processors, and Lineage Logistics, LLC, the world's largest and most innovative temperature-controlled and logistics solutions provider, announced the opening of an automated, next-generation distribution center in Olathe, Kansas. Lineage designed and built the new facility to enhance Smithfield's complex distribution network, which supplies thousands of destinations with frequent shipments of protein in varying quantities. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.